welcome to this video. Today I am partnering with Fabfitfun on this video, and Fabfitfun just released their new summer editors box. If you don't know what Fabfitfun is a seasonal subscription box that comes out 4 times a year, and inside the boxes is fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and wellness products and goodies. Each box is only $49.99, but it retails at $250 each season, so that's a great deal. Plus, I have a discount code for you. It's Simple Life, and you can get $10 off of your first box. I'll leave all this information in the description box below if you forget it. So go check it out and claim your $10 off your first box. Really quickly, before we jump into this box, I want to say that I am really excited to try Fabfitfun. This is my first box. I haven't ever done this before, but the reason that I like it is because I am not a risk taker, and a lot of these brands are brands that I have never heard of and otherwise probably just wouldn't know to try. So this gives me the perfect opportunity to try new things, branch out a little bit, and hopefully fall in love with some new products. So I have actually already looked through this box. I wanted to kind of get an idea of what everything was inside of it, and I'm so glad I did, because there is one thing in here that I wasn't sure even what it was, but once I figured it out, it is really awesome, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. But so anyways, I have already seen what's inside of this box. I've smelled some things, and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. When you open the box, usually there's some tissue paper that covers, but I've already removed that. But this stuff lays on top of it, and this is kind of like a little newspaper that gives a little bit of information and some articles that are really fun. I think one's 5 ways to boost your workout, and then we also have $50 off of your first 2 boxes of HelloFresh. We have used HelloFresh in our house and we love it, so I think this will be really handy. I'm definitely going to be using this because we just love it, and it's great for moms or people who are busy in general. So cool, that's exciting that that's in there. And then also, this is just a list of all of the things that is inside of your box. It gives a description, and it also tells you what it retails for, so that's kind of exciting. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is this. It's by the brand Pure Lycée, and it is a Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer for hydration, fine line prevention, and it's perfect for under makeup. So I am 26 years old, and wrinkles are starting to become a thing and something that I think about and care about. So I'm all about moisture. So I'm really excited to try this. Let's see what it looks like in that packaging. So it's a little bottle. The benefits on the back say that Blue Lotus is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Antioxidants are actually really, really good. White tea offers antibacterial and skin smoothing abilities. So antibacterial is super important to keep the blemishes away. Vitamin E prevents premature aging and improves skin's texture. And French marine plants help retain moisture. So this is a moisturizer. It says you can put it on under your makeup. Sounds great to me. Next, this is fun. This is by the brand Sponge Gelée, and it's a body wash buffer. How interesting is this? Let me show you what the inside looks like. So this is like a little sponge that you get wet, and then you squeeze the excess water out, and you can use it to wash your body with. It smells like papaya, and it really smells like papaya. It smells really good. It's a body wash infused buffer, and I think you can use it 14+ times. So that's kind of fun. It's dermatologist tested, which is important. So this is really cool, and it comes with this little ribbon on it that you can take it out and put it in the shower and hang it. So cute. Next we have, it's by the brand Korres, and this is a shower gel, and it smells like Japanese rose. I actually really like the smell of rose. I know some people think that it's kind of too strong or kind of grandma-y, but I think it smells really good. I enjoy the smell of rose. It smells so clean and spa-like to me. Japanese rose shower gel helps maintain skin's natural moisture levels. That's nice. I'm excited to put this in the shower and try it. Next, we have a makeup product. All right, so this is a luminizer primer by the brand Dr. Brandt. It is Pores No More. I cannot not use a primer before I use my foundation because I have really large pores. I've always had that. It's like genetic. So I think it's really important to have a good pore filler foundation before you put on your actual foundation. So that's kind of exciting to try this. It's a luminizer primer too, which is perfect for summer because that'll give you kind of that like dewy, glowy, summery effect, which is perfect. So I'm gonna swatch it a little bit and see how it feels. It feels very moisturizing, like very moisturizing. And it smells good too. It's got a clean, fresh scent. Cool, I'm excited to try that. Thank you, Dr. Brandt. Okay, so next we have this bad boy. It's by the brand Ahava. It is Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. And this is a special size limited edition. It smells like baby powder, which to me smells so good. It's just so clean and fresh smelling. Oh, I love it. So I'm going to put this in my purse or my diaper bag because the worst thing in all of the world to me is to have dry hands. And I also really hate it when my feet are dry. Like when I get in bed at night, if my feet are dry, it's all I can think about. So I'm all about moisturizing my hands and my feet. So this is really kind of cool and fun to have, and I just love the smell. I can't stop smelling it. When I opened up this Fabfitfun box for the first time, like that was the initial thing that hit me in the face, and I loved it. It was great. Okay, so next we have a cosmetic bag. I am like a cosmetic bag freak. I have so many of them. I love them. So this one's kind of really cool. It's by the brand Yumi Kim. And if you can see, it's kind of like a waterproof material, which is great. So it's not gonna show a lot of makeup and grime that can sometimes happen when you have a different material or just a lighter color. This is in a navy color, and then the inside has this really pretty pattern to it. And I just think that's really cute and fun. It's also not very deep, which makes it perfect for like if you want to put stuff in it to put in your purse, or if it's more for traveling or something like that. Or maybe just like your makeup for the day as opposed to like your whole entire collection. And then on top, it has another zipper that opens up for you to put your makeup brushes in. And then there's a zipper over here that you can put like tweezers, perfume, and things like that in. So that's really cute. So I have another thing to show you, and I don't actually have it with me. Emerson took it and has been playing with it, and it's in her room and she's taking a nap right now, so I'm not able to show you. I'll show you a little clip of it, but it came in this bag, and it is a little like blue ball, and it's pretty dense and heavy. Oh, it's a trigger point ball, so you can do all these different things with it. And it like can help you stretch after a workout or yoga, and kind of like roll out your muscles. This is very motivating to me to actually do my yoga. I love doing yoga. I think it's so relaxing, and it just makes me feel good after I've done it. But I think I like it because I'm not really an exerciser. I've never really been one to like exercising, but I like yoga because it's not super like a hard workout or strenuous on your body, but you still kind of get a workout and you can relax at the same time. So this is motivating me to do I'll do prenatal yoga since I'm pregnant, but motivates me to do my yoga. Okay, so this is the last thing in the Fabfitfun summer box that I'm going to show you, and this is by the brand Foreo Luna Fofo. This is the thing that I told you that I was like super confused about what it did when I first opened the box, and I was glad that I did some research first, because now I can kind of explain it and really tell you what it does. So I'm getting out my phone because I feel like I'm gonna totally butcher this if I don't just like read it from the website, because I'm not gonna lie, I had to Google it. Okay, so this is a 2-in-1 Smart Beauty Coach and facial cleansing brush that analyzes skin for customized cleansing. So it uses advanced sensors to measure skin's moisture levels and matches these with their quiz to get a personalized routine that is right for you. I know I personally have always struggled with knowing what beauty products to use, knowing how to treat my dry skin, because I've always had dry skin. This is really a cool thing. The bristles are really soft and you can turn it on and use it to cleanse your skin. So you would put your facial cleanser on here and then just go to town, and it vibrates and it feels like super, super good. Almost forgot to mention that you pair this with an app for your smartphone. So that's how you would take the quiz and how it like analyzes and does all the smart things that it does for you. Okay, so those were all of the things that are in my Fabfitfun Summer 2018 Editor's Box. The boxes are now customizable, so you can choose what you get in your box. This is what I got in my box, but you can choose what you get in your box, which is so fun to make it you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch it and learn a little bit about Fabfitfun along with me. Don't forget, you can use the code SIMPLELIFE to get $10 off of your first box. Link is in the description, code is in the description, and go check it out because I think you'll like it. I love you guys. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any more fun videos that I have coming up. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see